Good morning, everyone. Louie in the van here. Thank you for joining me. I'm heading out today, early this morning, actually. I'm heading to Ajo. Yep, further south, almost at the border of Mexico. We're driving through the, I believe it's pronounced the Tohono O'odham Reservation. I'm sorry if that's the wrong pronunciation, but there's nothing out here. Few little shacks and some newer track houses. We're entering Ajo. We finally made it. Yahoo, Ajo. Belly Acres RV Park. Love that name. Yeah, so this is one of my favorite little towns in Arizona. It's very cute. Hasn't changed much. It's a pretty church. And this is the town square here. I am going to go around it, give you a view of it all. There's a nice coffee shop on the left here, a thrift store, post office. This is an old train depot. There used to be a train that came through here. There's the tracks. I'm going to park right here. Whoa, it's windy. Yeah, it feels like a storm. I'll have to check the weather. I haven't seen the weather in a while. But I really like this cute little plaza here. I just went over to my favorite Mexican restaurant here on the plaza, but it's no longer there. Apparently they moved up the road and a pizza place took their spot. Although they're closed on Tuesday. The only day they're closed, Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. Because of course I was going to try the pizza place. They never had pizza here before, so it's the first pizza restaurant here, I believe. So I'll have to come back down here, downtown, and try it. I'm gonna go check to see the new location of the Mexican restaurant, see if that's open. Yeah, I think I want to get something to eat because it's late in the day. I've got to go find a spot to park up, and I just probably won't have time to cook. Okay, this is the new restaurant. Pretty nice. Let's see if it's still the same. This is the camp spot I got late last night after dark. This is my boondocking choice for the winter. I prefer it over Quartzsite, and it's very close to town. You can actually hop on an e-bike and get to town in a few minutes. And the town has everything you need. Laundromat, grocery store, restaurants, library with Wi-Fi. No crowds. Not a lot of big, huge RVs either. And a few miles south of here, there's Organ Pipe National Monument, which I believe has a big campground with lots of room for RVs. It's a beautiful park with lots of these big organ pipe cactus, just everywhere, huge ones. There's a lot here also because we're so close, but there's many more down there. These are the organ pipe cactus right here. You probably can't tell, but that's about, I'd say probably 20 feet tall. I'll hop on the e-bike today and take a ride into town. I've got to pick up a package at the post office. So come along for the ride. I just moved my campsite to a new location. The other one was very close to the road. This one is further away from the road, up on a little spur road, on a little hill here, overlooking the BLM camping area. It's much quieter up here, much more peaceful and private. And nobody else can camp near me because this little road here dead ends up in the canyon there. So this is very nice. I've got a view of the hills behind me and the little peak over there. And there's actually probably a little more wind up here. Light wind, but enough to keep the flies off you. And cool you down. It's only 70, but it feels a little warmer than that. I've got a hummingbird feeder out, but I've only seen the hummingbirds come and try it once or twice. They're not drinking it, I don't know why. Maybe because it's organic, non-bleached sugar. Maybe they don't like that. And you can see down there the other RVs and campers. But they're far enough away where I don't hear them at all. Good morning again. I'm just taking a walk here behind my campsite. Up into the hills a little bit. Just having a morning coffee. A leisurely walk. Another gorgeous day. It's been consistently about 70 degrees during the day here, and between 50 and 60 at night. Perfect weather in my opinion. So peaceful out here. There's really no noise, few birds. I did see deer, which really surprised me. Don't think I've ever seen deer in the desert. I mean, there is a lot of vegetation here, so I'm sure they're able to find something to eat. Ah, the road ends. Oh, looked like a maintained little dirt road here behind the campsite, but it actually comes to an end. And just drops off into this washed out area here from the rains. You can still climb up to the top there. Kind of have to bushwhack it. I'm not going to do that right now. Maybe later on. Another thing I've noticed is there's no ants here. Unlike most places I camp, especially deserts, sometimes they're just covered with ant hills. Big, huge ant hills. Coming back down the hill here. There's the van right there.